Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix LG ThinQ login problem. So firstly, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your connection is not stable, you'll have issues logging in. Now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that open Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. From here, tap on the search option at the bottom right corner. Now go to the search bar and simply search for LG ThinQ. Now tap on the application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the application is updated to its latest version. Once the app has been updated, all your bugs and issues of that specific application will be fixed. Now, the another step you could do in order to fix your problem is that open settings on your mobile devices. Now, from here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on the option of apps. Now you could simply search for LG ThinQ. Tap on the application. Once you come here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of storage. Tap on it. Now, at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of clear cache. Simply tap on it. Now, once you follow all these steps, you will be able to fix your logging issue of your LG ThinQ application. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.